Most people think success starts with talent, or money, or luck. But this man had none of that. No special skills, no connections, no savings, nothing that made people believe in him. In fact, most people felt sorry for him. Some quietly laughed. And yet, years later, his life looked completely different. Not because he became smarter overnight, not because someone saved him, but because of one rule, he never broke asterisk. And it sounds so simple, most people ignore it. He grew up ordinary, painfully ordinary. Not bad at school, not great either. Tried things. Quit most of them. Every time something got hard, he told himself the same story. Maybe this just isn't for me. And honestly, that story felt comforting, because if it wasn't for him, then quitting wasn't failure. It was logic. So he bounced from job to job, idea to idea, always busy, always tired, but nothing ever moved forward. At night, he'd scroll through his phone watching other people win. People younger than him, people who looked more confident, more gifted. And the thought that hurt the most wasn't jealousy. It was this. What if this is all I'll ever be? One evening, after another long, forgettable day, he sat alone in his room. No motivation, no plan, just exhaustion. And that's when he noticed something uncomfortable. His life wasn't failing because he lacked talent. It was failing because nothing in his life lasted long enough to work Every effort ended early, every habit broke under pressure, every goal died the moment it stopped feeling exciting. That night he didn't feel inspired, he felt exposed. And instead of promising a big change, he made one small decision, a rule. The rule was this, never miss twice. That's it. Let's not be perfect, not work harder than everyone. Just this. If I fail today, I show up tomorrow, no matter what. At first, it felt almost too easy. He chose one simple thing. Not a big dream, not a life overhaul. Just one daily action he could finish, even on his worst days. Some days he did it well, some days poorly, but he didn't stop. And something strange happened. For the first time in his life, he stayed. There were days he wanted to quit, days when he felt stupid, slow, behind, days when progress was invisible.
Oh.
But instead of asking, is this working? He asked a different question. Did I break the rule? As long as the answer was no, he kept going. Weeks passed. Nothing dramatic happened. No viral moment. No breakthrough. But something quiet started to change. His mind stopped negotiating with him, because quitting was no longer an option he debated. It was simply not allowed twice. Before, every setback felt like proof he wasn't built for this. Now, setbacks were just part of the process. Miss once, human, miss twice. That's a choice. And he stopped making that choice. Months later, people around him noticed something. Not success, consistency. He showed up even when he didn't feel like it, especially then. And consistency did something talent never could. It built trust with himself. Here's what most people don't realize. Confidence doesn't come from results. It comes from keeping promises to yourself, And for the first time, he trusted himself. That changed everything. Opportunities started appearing, not huge ones, small ones. But this time, he didn't waste them, because he had learned how to stay. He wasn't the smartest person in the room. He wasn't the most gifted. But when things got boring, or uncomfortable, or slow, he didn't disappear. And over time, that made him dangerous. People love to say, I'll be consistent when I'm motivated, but motivation is unreliable. Rules are not. This one rule removed emotion from the equation. No mood checks. No waiting to feel ready. Just one question at the end of the day. Did I break the rule? Eventually, the results showed up. Not overnight, but undeniably. Skills stacked, momentum built. And the same people who once ignored him started asking how he did it. He didn't give them a flashy answer, because the truth wasn't exciting. It was boring and powerful. He didn't win because he was special. He won because he stayed when most people left That's the part nobody claps for. The quiet days, the lonely consistency, the slow grind with no applause. But that's where lives actually change. If you feel behind right now, this matters. You don't need more motivation. You don't need talent you weren't born with. You need one rule you refuse to break, something small enough to do on bad days, and the discipline to not miss twice. So here's the challenge. Pick one habit, just one. Decide today what showing up means, and make this rule non-negotiable. Miss once. Forgive yourself, miss twice. Don't let it happen. It's not because you're chasing perfection, but because you're building trust with yourself. You don't need to change your whole life tonight. You just need to stay tomorrow. And then again the day after that. That's how ordinary people quietly become unstoppable. Let's do it together.